My updated journal. I added the cabochon to the key, and let me just show you the inside. I've changed a little bit. So that's a cover. Oh, and the back is just the same as the front. Same paper. Alright, so on the inside I have a pull-out tab, and I have 3 of these. You could add like paper to it and journal on it too. And you can journal on this. You can't see the lines too well, but there are lines on that. And then this little tab too. You can journal on that. Add paper to it if you like. Or you can use them for markers, like bookmarks, certain parts of your book. I stamped on every page. So we have an image, just leaf images on each page. So I can show you the first 5 or 6. Yep, and then I changed all over in the book. So let's go to our first divider page, our first divider. And in here we have a pocket right here. And in that I just have a postcard and order blank, old-fashioned looking antique-y things. And then in the little pockets I have these little tabs or tags. So I have 3, 6, 7, 8 little tabs, right? And they just fit in the pockets on the page. Oh, that's a big one. There's a little one. And I'll put them back in. So 3 there and 3 there. So it's only one single folder. It's not really a double, even though I have a background on that. And then the next page, I just have 4 places you can journal on these. They have the lines. So you have the 2 blue, and you have the 2, whatever color that is, pinky peach. So I have a pocket all the way along here. So you can just place them wherever you want them. And again, all pages are stamped. My next divider would be in here. I have 4 tabs or bookmarks. You could journal on these too if you want to add paper to it, or you can use them for bookmarks. And this is just a pocket. And then this is a pull tab. So I glued 2 pieces of the cardstock together, and I put the ribbon in between. So that's another tab. It's just bunches of tabs and tags and different things. And then on this page I just have the butterflies with the little tabs up there, and they don't move, they're just there. And then I have 2 little pockets here and 2 little markers as well. You could put paper again on those. So I'm just going to stick them back in their little pockets. Turn to the next tab. In this tab I have another one you could write on. And you could add more to it. It's just the one here. And same on this side. It's just the one pocket. If I can get it on. There. And lots of stamping again. Then on this, the back page, I have a refillable notebook. This is 50 sheets, and I've covered it to match all the paper in here. And there's a second one. I don't know if I'm going to include that in the thing, but we've got at least 1 and 2. That would give us 100 extra pages to journal. So you have 100 in the book, plus all the little journaling pieces, plus these 2 is another 100. So lots of places you could journal. And to close it, alright, what I did was I just try to take that off so you can see it. I just looped this loop around my thing right there, and I pulled it through here, and I want to pull it tight, and this has room to expand even more. Oops, and I need to pull that up so it's even there. And then I just go around my butterfly circle there. And there you go. Oops, pull it a little bit tighter. Yeah. So that is the journal. And the word journal is in the letters there. Thank you for watching.